Alright, quick video for everyone. This is the finished product, bike build. The Dachine wheels, these were from China, just because I wanted to save some money to get some other stuff. So I went cheap on the wheels, but they're pretty good. Did some research on them, they're not too bad. Reviews have been great so far on them. 50mm carbon wheels. Frame is from a company out of Pennsylvania. 3K weave, just a basic unbranded carbon frame. This is the second frame I've had, no issues ever, nothing wrong. Pro logo seat, got that. I went cheap on some other stuff. I've got full Tiagras group set on it, and I actually found this all brand new. Came with everything: cassette, crank, pedals, brakes, shift levers, derailleurs. 284 shipped. So I thought that was a pretty good deal on that. I do also get lizard skin tape. Thought that was pretty good stuff. Had it before. Just a good feel. It's very comfortable. And then all the skimping on some of the other stuff I did was for the bars. Got some zip bars. These were a little bit over $300, but I think it's worth it. And having the internal cable routing through the bars and stuff too, I think that's pretty good. Overall, bike is good. Went on one ride, got about 30 miles in on it. Very comfortable. Feels great. I got a couple races coming up, so I'm excited about that. And not too bad. And I'll turn the camera so you can see, better look at the bike. There it is. Any comments? Feel free to leave them below.